Alright students, now that you are going to build an Android app for your site, I must tell you that whether you have built your website in Blogger or WordPress or any other platform, you should make sure that it is highly responsive. Responsive means your website will automatically adjust for different screen sizes and viewports. It will automatically resize, hide, shrink or enlarge a website to make it look good on all devices, be it desktop, tablet and phones. This is important because we will be using a component called Web Viewer in our app, and if it's installed in mobile or tablet, it should look good. Almost all the WordPress themes and Blogger themes are responsive. If it's not, or any of the element, maybe a menu button or anything disappears or not clickable in a phone or a tablet, go and change your theme and find a suitable one. And for this tutorial purpose, I will use my website, which is assamvacancy.in. This site is built in Blogger. I'll show you that my website is fully responsive. I am on a Google Chrome browser. I will go ahead and right click and select inspect. And from the list of available devices here, I can select any device. When I select this device, the website will fit automatically according to a Moto G4 screen. And from the list of available devices from here, you can select a device and check that if it fits for all of them. My website is appearing really nice for all the devices here. Let me select a tablet, iPad Pro. Yes, it fits great in an iPad Pro. Let me select another device, let it be Galaxy S5, and all my elements are looking very good to me. The next thing that I will tell you is to have a sticky menu at the top of the page whenever your site is scrolled down. You can see this menu is sticky, and when I will scroll down, the menu will stay here regardless of wherever I am in my website. Why this is important? Because whenever someone is in your app, the only option they will have is a back button. Though I have enabled the Web Viewer component to go back to earlier page, if someone press the back button, a user should have a smooth navigation throughout your site through the menu. Okay, if your website has all the above features enabled, you are good to go. And for all the features of the app that I have told you in the previous lesson, you don't need to do anything. I have all the features incorporated in my project file that I'll give you. You will need to work and make some minor changes only for the push notification feature. We will use OneSignal's push notification tool for the said purpose. If you don't have a OneSignal account, go ahead and create one. It is free. In this class, I will discuss two popular platforms to send notification to the installed devices automatically whenever you create a new blog post. One being Blogger and the other is WordPress. In the next lesson, I will take you to my OneSignal dashboard, create an applet there and set push notifications for our site both for WordPress and Blogger. See you there.